I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Adding a credit card to your Square Wallet is a straightforward process. Here is how to do it step by step. Step 1. Open the Square Wallet app. Launch the Square Wallet app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access all features. Step 2. Navigate to Payment Methods. Once you're in the app, look for the Payment Methods option in the main menu. This is where you can manage your cards and payment settings. Step 3. Select Add Credit Card. In the Payment Methods section, tap on Add Credit Card. This will take you to a new screen where you can enter your card details. Step 4. Enter your card information. Fill in your credit card number, expiration date, and CVV. Double check for any typos, as an incorrect number will prevent the card from being added. Step 5. Save your changes. After entering your card information, tap on the Save button to add the card to your wallet. You should see a confirmation message once it is successfully added. If you run into any issues, make sure your app is updated to the latest version, as older versions may have bugs. Happy transactions!